Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix your PS5 system software issues. First, power off your PlayStation 5 completely. Then, press and hold the power button, releasing it after the second beep to enter safe mode. Connect your DualSense controller using a USB cable. From the Safe Mode menu, you can try options like Clear Cache and Rebuild Database or Update System Software to resolve minor glitches before a full reinstallation. To prepare for a full system software reinstallation, you'll need a USB drive with at least 16 gigabytes of storage. Format this drive to either FAT32 or exFAT on your computer. Next, create a folder named PS5 on the root of the USB drive. Inside that, create another folder called Update. Finally, download the official reinstallation file from the PlayStation website and save it into the Update folder. With your USB drive properly prepared, insert it into one of the USB ports on your PlayStation 5. Now, enter Safe Mode again by holding the power button until the second beep. From the Safe Mode menu, select Option 7, which is Reinstall System Software. Follow the on-screen instructions carefully. This process will erase all data on your console, so ensure you've backed up anything important beforehand. Remember, always use the latest official system software file from the PlayStation website to avoid further complications. This ensures compatibility and stability. If, after following these steps, your PlayStation 5 still experiences issues, it's best to contact PlayStation support directly. They can provide more advanced troubleshooting or arrange for a repair. Regular data backups are also highly recommended for peace of mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.